Yes. Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, I have a problem with my laser printer today. HP Color Laser MFP 179FF gone. Yes, it showed me that my toner was empty. Or very little toner. So now of course I want to change the toner, and of course you should also be part of it. Well, the printer showed me that only the yellow toner was empty. And yes, but of course I bought a whole set. Of course everything is included. This is blue. There is red and black. And yes, I paid €85 for the whole thing. There you see the bill, €85, and it is for these types of lasers. Is the toner compatible? I will of course link the toner in the video description if anyone is interested. And of course I will now also show how to change the toner. So first of all, we're going to go and open this front flap right here in the front. And there we can already see our individual toner cartridges above, the yellow one, which is empty in my case. You can open it or simply take it out by taking these handles on the left and right here and simply pulling them straight out. And then I already have my complete toner cartridge in my hand. It's actually relatively easy. So, now I unpack the new toner cartridge and pack it up for the times and hope that everything works. So, here I have my new toner cartridge. Looks a little bit different, so I don't have the handles on here. But I'll say now, if he prints, I don't care at all. Now here, first time here. The tape all around is off. Be sure to keep everything in place. So that nothing gets dirty. So now I'm going to put that in. Everything went well here. The contacts are a bit different, but we don't care about that for now. Now I want to hope that the printer recognizes the cartridges. I close. So the printer is now starting to warm up. He writes out, "It is printed." He also recognized the yellow cartridge. And now let's do a test print and see if the yellow is full and nice. So, I have a yellow sheet here now. Scan the macro or make a color copy of it. A color copy. And then we'll see what comes out. And we see that wonderful yellow worked beautifully and was actually relatively easy. Change the toner cartridge here. So, the next video I'm going to make will be how do you or can you refill the original HP cartridge with toner. That will come next, so ring the bell so you don't miss a video. And thumbs up if you liked this video. And then I would say goodbye until my next video. Bye.